Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to connect better communication tips for lasting bonds. So in order to earn by watching this video, all you need to do when you're on your Memefi coin is to go down to where you have earn. So now we're going to tap on earn, and then we can see that there are lots of tasks to be taken here, but we're interested in watch YouTube videos. This is where you can find the name of this video. So we're going to tap on it. And then here you can find also lots of videos to be watched. All you need to do is to keep scrolling until you find how to connect. And finally, after lots of scrolling, we have the video how to connect better communication tips for lasting bonds. And then next, all you need to do is to tap on it. And now here, the first step to take is to click on this YouTube link, and then you have to subscribe. After subscribing, you're going to have to watch the video to find the secret code and paste it for the task verification. When that's done and you have the code, you're going to paste it here and then click on check the task. When it is checked and has been verified, you will have 500,000 coins added to your Memefi. So this is how to complete the task, how to connect better communication tips for lasting bonds.